beauties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alifa Silva and I'll be really glad if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. So in today's video, I am going to be reacting to my cringy TikToks and reels. And to be very honest, I was using TikTok when I was in 7th, I guess. That is basically in 2017. I used to TikTok a lot. I used to love using TikTok, and at that point of time we all are small, and I was not having that much idea of how to do actual TikTok, like transitions and all that stuff. मेरे बस की बात नहीं थी. So and luckily I had saved some of them in my phone, and some of them were on my Instagram, and I had to save it and all that stuff. So I just saved all of those, and then I was like, it's a lot, like there are 12 or 13 something, and I'm going to be reacting to all of those. But before we begin with the video, please wait till the end, because I have something to tell you guys. So please don't go anywhere, wait till the end, and please please, I'm telling you guys that the TikToks were the old Alifia. Please don't judge me, because I was really bad at TikTok, guys. Really bad. I even don't know why did I even film those TikToks. God, why did I even do that? I don't understand that. Seriously. But never mind. I'm going to be reacting now to my TikToks. And unfortunately, TikTok is banned, which is a very sad thing, because I used to love TikTok a lot, and now it's not there, so it's okay. And I'm using Instagram Reels, and if you are not following me on Instagram, click on this link in description. And yes, and next thing, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. But before that, please make sure to subscribe, like, and let's get this video started. Okay, so the first cringiest reel. I'm going to embarrass myself, guys. Oh, the first cringiest reel is I'm going to put all of those reels here, and please ignore my face. I look really bad, guys. Oh, okay. So first reel, ready to go. What was I thinking? Cause I'm sorry, I cannot attach the song because copyright. So that is why I've muted it. But let me tell you, the song was आंखें में आंखें तेरी हर जगह ढूंढे मुझे, something like that. Kabir Singh ka song it was, which is very bad, because look at my face. Why am I nodding my head so much? आंखें तेरी आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह. Why am I nodding my head so much? Oh, cringy. This is the first cringiest, and I will rate this cringiest TikTok 10 out of 10. Cringiest, most cringiest TikTok ever. I will do anything, but not this type of cringy TikTok. Okay, so moving forward to the next TikTok. This is kind of good because I love what I'm wearing. That is a black t-shirt, which is, it's not that cringy, but a little kind of cringy. And guys, there is a label like how is this like thing, because I had uploaded this on Instagram. That is the reason I'm getting that label, or else it is without a label. But because I had uploaded it on Insta, that is the reason. Cringy LFA, cringy TikToks, yes. So, feels like a rock star. Do, do. That was the song. It is good. I would rate this TikTok, like cringy TikTok, 1 out of 10, because it is not very cringy. It is kind of TK, no worries. Acha hai TikTok. Like that thing. Then moving forward to the next TikTok, that is this one. So this is again a TikTok, and this is a cringy one because I don't know, and I don't know why I used to make TikToks on Hindi songs, which is like, I don't really look good in Hindi songs. Like the filmy vibes नहीं आता है मेरे TikTok में. I don't know why I used to do it, but never mind. This is the next TikTok. तू ही मेरी है सारी चाहे कहीं से तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं. That is a TikTok. Again, cringy. I would rate this cringy TikTok 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Yeah. It is not that cringy because I love my hairstyle in that and my clothes are good in that. So not extra cringy, but cringy because of this song. I don't really look good on that song. Okay, so next is this one. This is a transition video, and I don't know what I was thinking while doing this TikTok, because I have not changed anything. I have just worn a jacket in the second part. Why did I think it was a transition? Change. Oh. Cringy TikTok 101. Okay, so this is again a cringy TikTok, which is very very bad. So I will rate this TikTok, cringy TikTok, 7.5 out of 10. Yes, 7.5 out of 10, because I love the effects and the flash, but not the outfit. So yes. Then moving forward towards my next TikTok, that is this TikTok is really very very good. It's a really very nice TikTok. My outfits are bomb. I guess this TikTok was when I was in 10th. Yes, because I had Teachers Day and I was going to dance with my group. So we had one Nawari. This is the TikTok, and I love everything about this TikTok. Everything, but the background is very very bad. Very bad. I didn't like the background at all, but the TikTok is good. It's a good one. So this is a Apsara Ali. That is the TikTok. Yes. This is a nice TikTok. I love everything about the TikTok. Just the background is really really bad, and I would rate this TikTok as cringy TikTok 2 out of 10, because it is not at all cringy. It is just that the background is really bad. That's it, nothing else. So moving forward to our next TikTok, this is again a transition TikTok, and this TikTok I had filmed when I that This TikTok I had filmed when we had got the news that TikTok is going to get banned. So I was like, "Akhri bar TikTok." That is when I did this TikTok. So let's start. This is a nice TikTok. So, I'm a rider. This is good. It is not cringy at all. It is a good TikTok. Loved it. Nice TikTok. No um any no bad comments on this. And secondly, I loved my hairs in this. My long hairs. Sometimes I kind of miss my long hair, but sometimes I really don't. Okay, so the next TikTok. Okay, the next TikTok is the last TikTok. Then guys, promise me you're not going to laugh. Please, please, please. Don't laugh, guys. Please. This is the cringiest TikTok I could ever think of. Is this one? Let's start. ओ लेके पहला पहला प्यार के आंखों में घुमा जादू से आया है कोई जादूगर ओ लेके पहला what this is the cringiest TikTok. I will give an award to this TikTok because it is way lot cringy, and I don't really like this TikTok at all. So I will rate this TikTok 10.5 out of 10 because it is that cringy. Very, very, very cringy. And talking me about my cringy TikToks, which I hope you all didn't go blind after watching those because it's really pathetic, really bad. So, okay, so now speaking about what I was going to tell you guys, that is, this is the last video of the month of June. So, of the month of June, yes, this is the last video of the month of June, and the first video of July is on 1st July. So as there are some new subscribers, so I would like to tell you guys everything because you all are new. So okay, so the month of July is going to be a subscriber month, which means I'm going to be listening to all of your requests, and I will be doing everything you all want me to do, because July is July 17th is a special day because my channel completed 1 year on YouTube. That is the reason I thought I will make July a special month. So I am very, very excited for this month. So for the first video of July, there are some sweet girls, like there is one girl who constantly messaged me on Instagram and she really wants to talk to me. So she's like, please can I talk to you and all that stuff, and I was waiting for this video because then वो मज़ाक करा हो जाएगा. That is the reason I didn't talk to her like on call. Of course I used to chat with her like normal chats, and then I was waiting for July so that I could talk to her and even you all could see how she feels. So I am going to be talking to you guys. Yes, you all heard that right. I will be talking to you guys on phone. Yes, and if you all want me to talk to you guys, then please go and message me on this account, link in description, this account. Go and message me and I will be really happy to call all of you people and to talk to you and to know you all really good. So that is the reason. And guys, this entire month, like the July month, is going to be a subscriber month. So please go and subscribe if you all have not subscribed yet, because I don't want you guys to miss any of those videos. And I really want you all to enjoy those videos, because if I'm taking so much efforts for July, then please, I hope that it should be worth it. And there are a lot of videos in the month of July, like a lot of videos, and I don't want you guys to miss any of those. So, and I am really looking forward for you guys to enjoy those videos. So there is a request that if you all want me to talk to you guys, then please DM me on this account, Instagram account, please, please. And yes, that is it for today's video. And I know I made this cringy TikTok video, like, because it was kind of uh, because I saw some of the YouTubers do it, so I thought, why not do it? Because I have a lot of those. So, and that is it for today's video. And if you all love the video, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And please stay safe, stay home, and I will see you guys next time. Ta-da!